All right, everybody. This is a 2011 Ford Escape. We're changing the power steering torque sensor. This snap ring is absolutely the most horrid thing in the world. It's extremely tight. You have no space to do anything. The steering column keeps moving up and down on you. So, one thing you can be sure of is that these tools are not going to work. These are too small and have absolutely no strength to it. You need leverage, and small tools like this, like 6-7 inches or something, are not gonna work. So my first step was secure the steering column so it doesn't keep sliding up and down. Okay, the second step is, hold on a sec, get these snap ring holders, a remover from Harbor Freight. It's 12-inch, $35, but that's not even enough. You just don't have the strength and or the leverage to do it. So I attached these pipes. I have just empty pipes, attach one on each end. Now when I put the tip on there and squeeze, I have absolutely full control over it. I have no problems squeezing that thing on. Squeezing the snap ring. Let's see if that will work. I probably gonna have to have somebody help me pop it off because it squeezes from one side, not the other. It doesn't just close like this. It's more like, it doesn't close like that. It's more like it closes on one side, the other side stays in place. So you need to have a flat screwdriver or a pick to pull it out. We'll see how that works. See, now I can move it. Without this, it's not gonna move. All right. All right, now with all the squeezing, with the extra leverage I have in here, that thing was just a breeze. All you have to do is close it up, pull it out straight. Yeah, the videos you see on YouTube, it's 1 second they're on, second it's off. How they did that, nobody knows.